Hello everyone. What you are seeing now is a pretreatment production line for waste lithium batteries that is about to be shipped by our company. The annual processing capacity of this production line is 10,000 tons. This production line consists of a shredding system, a pyrolysis system, a cooling system, and an electrical system. The system takes into account the functions of remote control and on-site control. The shredding system can perform live shredding of multiple categories of lithium iron phosphate batteries. During the shredding process, the internal oxygen content is controlled at about 1%, thereby controlling safety risks. After shredding, the lithium battery can be strictly controlled by the pyrolysis system to efficiently remove organic components such as electrolyte, diaphragm, and PVDF. In terms of safety, the whole system is equipped with multiple alarms and safety interlocking functions such as temperature detection, pressure detection, and oxygen content detection. Abnormal conditions in the equipment can be quickly reflected to ensure the safety of personnel and equipment to the greatest extent. In the field of lithium battery recycling equipment, our company also has a ternary battery fast discharge system, a fine crushing and sorting system, an exhaust gas treatment system, and a battery black powder pyrolysis and reduction roasting system. If you want to know more, welcome to contact us for more communication and cooperation.